Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from watch only using the Blue Bexchange app. The app is used for withdrawing all watch only, being it BTC, BNB, USDT, any watch only at all. Yes, the red one is no more working, so we are all using the Blue Bexchange app. When you come to my DM, make sure you go straight to the point that you want to buy the app and the logins. It's not free, so if you don't have money, don't message me, please. Alright, let's go straight to the point. So this is the Blue Bexchange app. So let's input our token ID and our password. Our token ID. Let's go and look for password. This our password. Login. Okay, so let's save. So let's click on withdraw BNB funds. It's written there BNB, but it can use for withdrawing or watch only. So let's paste our BNB address. Let's enter amount as $5,000. Let's enter our reference code 112244. Let's enter our Momo number. I also create Momo numbers. Let's click on transfer funds. Let's enter our bank name. Let me remove my bank name on my other phone. Let me enter it. So let me enter my bank name. Alright, so my bank name is Ghana Commercial Bank. Account number is 902 621 6939. So I'm gonna enter my SWIFT code. Is 166543567. I'm gonna click on withdraw. So withdrawal is being sent. It takes 3 working days depending on your region. That's written it takes 3 working days, but actually it will drop within few minutes. So yes, stay tuned to receive your money. So please don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe. And when you come, go straight to the point that you want to buy and let me tell you the price so that when you buy, I'll show you how to withdraw. Thank you.